You rang?
Yes, here you are, Oscar. A little trash I thought you might enjoy.
Manna from heaven, Skinny. Well, I guess Miles finally stopped crying then, huh?
Yes, he did. He's finally asleep.
Well, he needs to rest.
Well, that's right, Oscar. You know, and it's very nice of you to understand that.
Oh, yeah, well, he needs to rest because he'll need his strength to cry some more tomorrow.
Well, you want to know something, Oscar? He might have to cry tomorrow, but he'll also need his strength to play and to do peekaboo and to laugh and to do all those wonderful things that babies do.
Ah! Can I try that again? Ah!
Nice try, Oscar, but he's still asleep.
Right. Ah!
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters C and G and by the number 8. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.